go. Okay, guys, hello. Welcome back to Kitchen Science with Miss Meyer and Kids. Today we are doing our second video with my second child. This is Ivy. Ivy, say hi.
Hello.
Ivy is in 3rd grade. She's 9 years old, and she's going to help us with what experiment today?
We're going to make a rainbow line using only 3 colors.
Okay, and because it's kitchen science, it's stuff from the kitchen, so here's what we need today. We need
some water, a measuring cup, 7 clear cups because if it was any other color you couldn't see the rainbow.
Right.
Alright. We need red food coloring, yellow food coloring, and blue food coloring.
Okay.
Alright, we need some straws to stir or any other object to stir. You need more than one of these because you don't want to mix the colors.
And because we're using food coloring, what should we do with our sleeves?
Roll them up.
Because food coloring
Stains.
That's right. Okay.
Alright, you'll need some paper towels. If they don't, if one doesn't rip in half as easy, just cut it.
Okay. So our first step is with our 7 cups, the first thing we're going to do is count out how many?
3 and take those 3 away.
Because we're not putting anything in them.
Yep.
Okay.
Alright, now we need to add half a cup of water into the clear cup.
Each of the 4 ones that we still have, right?
Yep.
Okay. There we go.
I'd suggest to use 4 to 5 drops of each food coloring, besides for the yellow, because the yellow can get really dark.
And when it's dark, what color does it look?
It looks orange.
Right, so we want it to definitely be our red, yellow, and blue. This is a good science lesson that we're getting to, but if you have younger siblings at home and you want to do this in front of them, you can also make it an art lesson about primary colors, right?
Yep.
Okay.
All right, once you put those drops in, you mix it with whatever object you have to mix.
All right.
And it should turn out like this.
Okay.
All right, next color is yellow. Half a cup for every single cup you.
Yeah, we want to make sure there's an even amount in each of them.
All right. Remember what I said earlier. For the yellow, you should use 2 to 3. Okay. I'm going to use 2 to be safe.
There we go.
And
I like that you're putting the cap back on, so the food coloring.
It's time to stir.
There we go.
All right, and the next color is blue.
Oh, careful. When you're measuring, you want to put the measuring cup on the table. That way it's flat so you can see what level it's at. Good job.
I'll save a little for the next round since I put a little too much.
Okay.
All right, now it's time to add the blue food coloring. The blue can get very dark too, so if I were you, I'd add 3.
Okay. There we go. It's so satisfying when it goes in, isn't it?
Yeah, all those little
swirls.
All right, and
Clean stir. There we go.
all right, and you may be wondering why we have 4 cups. We need to do red again.
We're gonna close the whole thing. Careful. Good?
Yep.
Okay. And some red. So
Yeah.
what are we gonna do next to prep?
So next, this may sound strange, but we're gonna use paper towels as little tubes.
Okay. Oh,
I'm gonna move these to the side so I can show you how to fold.
Now stir that red one up.
I already did.
Oh.
Wait. Maybe I'll do a little more.
Okay.
Now.
Okay.
So, all right. So you want to fold it like a centimeter in.
Centimeter is about the width of your fingertip, right?
So like this.
Yep.
And you're gonna do it all the way till you get to the end.
Just fold, 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 fold. And how many of these do we need to make?
You need to make 6.
Okay.
Alrighty. So.
Once you have it folded real well.
Alright, so you'll need to fold it in half.
Okay.
Make sure you like press the end so it's a really deep crease.
Okay. And when you're done, it looks like a...
It looks like a triangle.
Okay. So we're going to take a second and fold the rest of them and show you how to set up. Okay.
Alrighty, so you have to put them down in this order. Red, no color. Yellow, no color. Blue, no color. Red.
And the reason we set them up over there is because you guys are going to leave this overnight. So if you set it up in the middle of your kitchen table, it might be a problem at dinner time.
Alrighty, so earlier we folded this in half. So you're going to drop it into the red and the non-color like this. It looks kind of like a triangle.
Okay.
Alright, and so I'm going to show you how it should look in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, so this is what it should look like. There should be like 3 mini M's.
Oh, that's a good way to say it. Okay, so she put one of our paper towel triangles in between each of the cups. So there's 7 cups, that means there's 6 connections. The reds each only have 1 paper towel because they're on the edge, but every other cup has 2 paper towels in it. One attaching it to the one to the left and one attaching it to the one to the right. Right, Ive?
Yep.
Okay, so now we need our all-important sign.
Alrighty.
Pause now if you want to see what happens on your own. Spoiler ahead. You guys need to leave this overnight and then look at it tomorrow to see what happens. If you keep watching, you're going to see the results. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're back. It is Saturday morning. We checked yesterday on Friday morning, but was it ready, Ive?
No.
No, this might take 1 or 2 nights depending on how absorbent your paper towels are, how much you used. Just give it a little time. And then Ivy, would you like to reveal?
Sure. I'll reveal it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
And this is what happens. The water gets absorbed and diffuses into the empty cups, and because we put our primary colors on each side, we ended up making our secondary colors. So we have a rainbow that goes red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and then we had to put red on the other side because we needed that to mix with the blue.
And you don't want to leave it out for too long, because as you can see for this yellow, it's starting to come back up. The orange is starting to come back up into the yellow, so you don't want to leave it in too long.
So we could make a hypothesis that if we left this here all week, what would happen? Would it get all mixed up and we wouldn't see like any different colors?
Yeah.
Maybe. So that's the end of this experiment. Thanks for joining us. Say bye.